Hi there, I'm back and I have with me my Ipsy bag for August. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it and see what's inside. I have a love-hate relationship with Ipsy because I really don't like owning a lot of makeup, but I do like when this comes in the mail. I find it very exciting, so yeah. Okay, so the bag is this holographic color. I love it. I actually think it's super cool. And yeah, actually I haven't liked the designs of a lot of the bags lately. The last one I got was a bunch of like girls on beach towels. It just wasn't my vibe. It was very pink, it was very girly, and I wasn't really feeling it. But this one is really cool. I will keep this one for sure. Yeah. It's got like a little metal Ipsy tag right here. Yeah, I really like this a lot. So when I pulled out the bag, this came out, and it is a eyeshadow brush. Here it is, and it's wrapped in plastic. The brand is Moda, and I feel like I've heard of that brand, but I don't think I have any brushes from them. The two brushes I got sent from Ipsy were both from Luxie, Luxie, and I actually love those brushes. They've stayed good for so long. I had Ipsy, gosh, maybe 7 years ago, and I got sent one of those brushes 7 years ago, and it's still good. And I canceled obviously for a while, and then now I've started again. Ooh, it's very soft. It's so soft. I love the color. This is what it looks like. It's like this peachy orange color, and it's got like an angle to it. So it's definitely unlike everything else I own. I think it would be great for the crease. Yeah, that's what I think I will use it for. I think it would be great for like blending a bronzer into the crease. Yeah, I'm like super happy with this. This seems like a really good quality brush. It's called the Angle Shader, and the kind of end of it is, I'm not even sure, it's kind of like a weird plastic, but it's really cool. I really like it. So I'm really happy with this. Wow. Yeah, I really like it. Okay, now let's see what is in the bag. Okay, here's the first thing. It's called the Pore Minimizing Serum from Dewy Tree. And that really sounds like a Korean brand. I'm sure of it. I'm sure that this is a Korean brand. I've noticed that Ipsy is putting a lot of K-beauty in their bags lately. I'm not hating it. I like a lot of Korean makeup. I did live there for a little while, so I know some of the brands, but Dewy Tree is not one that I know. But I think it looks promising, and I'm always down to try a serum. It definitely doesn't have much product in there though, so it was a little bit skimpy on the product, but I will give it a go. Alright, let's see what else we have. Alright, next I have, I believe I chose this actually. You know how like every month you get to decide one of the products? This is the one I decided on. It is the ice cream from Sunday Riley. And I've never tried anything from Sunday Riley, but I hear such good things that I really wanted to give this one a go. So I will definitely try this, and yeah, I think it's just a moisturizer, right? I will try to open it. Yeah, it just looks like a regular moisturizer. This is what it looks like. It looks like a very thick moisturizer, which is what I prefer. And I love these mini samples for camping and traveling, which I do a lot of, so I will definitely take this on one of my camping trips. I have one planned. I have a camping trip planned, and I also have a weekend trip planned to Quebec City, so I will take this on one or both and give it a go. And I'll probably take the serum as well. I love having these like mini skincare samples to take with me for weekend trips. So yeah, so far I'm really happy with everything. I mean, this could be bigger, but overall, like, I'm not usually this happy with the Ipsy bags. Alright, next up I have, ooh, this is the Glam Glow, oh my gosh, Glam Glow Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. This is what it looks like. It's got like a nice gold top. You know what? They actually did not skimp on the product. This is quite good for an eye cream. Like, this will last like a month, because eye cream you really only need a little bit. So it looks really thick and promising as well. I have a feeling I'm gonna like this, but it's probably unlikely that I'll actually buy the product. I find Glam Glow, like, I just don't understand how they can charge as much as they do for their makeup and people buy it. Like, I just don't get it. But I guess I could say the same for Sunday Riley. Like, I'll definitely try it out because I want to see, like, what's the deal? Like, why are you charging so much? But I'll probably, even if it's good, I probably still won't buy the product. Alright, this I believe is the last thing. Yeah, there's nothing else. And it is from Lovecraft Beauty. I love that name. Look at this. This is so cool, right? Wow, I love it. Isn't there a new show out? I believe it's called Lovecraft Country, and I've heard really good things, so I actually want to watch that show. Maybe I'll watch it while wearing this. And I'm just going to open it. I'm afraid to hurt the packaging. I just really love it so much. And I usually don't care for packaging. Okay. So it comes in this like little cardboard thing. Ooh, okay, and it has the same symbol on the front of the thing. It's a highlighter because it says right here. Oh, wow. I really like this. Okay. Wow. And there's a symbol stamped into the highlighter as well. It's like a pink color. The color name is Aurora, like the Sleeping Beauty. And I kind of get it because it's very like shimmery and pink, so I think there's probably some inspiration there. So let me see if I can swatch it. Oh, it's gonna be hard to see. Can you see it? Oh yeah, I think you can. It's really pretty, you guys. Like, this is really pretty. And I think the pink tone will actually work for me. I had a peachy highlighter, and it's still my favorite highlighter of all time. And it was from Ipsy, like, back in the days, like when I had it like 7 years ago. And it was just like a cream highlight, a peach cream highlight. And I've never had another highlighter like that. It was just from like a no-name brand as well, like not one that you would know. And yeah, no, I love the size of this. I feel like all highlighters should be this size or smaller. Like, why do you need a highlighter this big? Like, it's just, you're never gonna use that. So I actually love the size of it. It's a little hard to open. I like the size. It comes with a mirror too, so that's actually quite high quality. Like, this feels very nice. And this has been a really great Ipsy bag. Really, I'm really kind of surprised. And actually, this is what I think my perfect Ipsy bag would be, is like one makeup product and like four, like maybe four like face moisturizers and stuff would be great. But the brush is also kind of nice. So I think I like everything in this bag. Although I haven't tried really any of it out yet, but oh, you know what I could do, you guys? I will put some of this highlighter on with this brush. Sorry, hard to open. Okay. What do you think? Oh my god, it's really blinding. I actually would prefer something more subtle. Yeah, okay, that's like a lot. Let me try it as an eyeshadow. I think I might like it more as an eyeshadow. I love the mirror. Also, I really like this brush. It's very good. Like, I feel like I could do my whole makeup with this brush. Like, I could do the crease, and then it actually works really well for putting color on the lid as well. So, really like the brush. Yeah, I like it a lot more as an eyeshadow. Like, I think that just brightened up my whole face. I love it as an eyeshadow. Okay, I think this is a really great kind of natural looking eyeshadow. But as a highlighter, like, as you can see, like, I actually don't think that looks very good on me. The whole blinding highlight is something that I feel like very few people actually pull off well. Maybe if I blend it more. Like, I find it can make you look older, and it can just draw attention to, like, the bad parts of your skin. So I'm just, yeah, I'm not a big fan of that. But as an eyeshadow, I think it's so beautiful. So yeah, I'm super happy with everything. I love the design. It's so pretty. That's my Ipsy bag for this month. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Please subscribe.